Hello again and welcome back to Over the Hill with Bill. Now I'm going to do a review this time of the PARKSIDE Cordless Angle Grinder. Had an itchy ear. Now on this occasion, my last review of the PARKSIDE driver was fantastic. But on this occasion, the PARKSIDE Cordless Angle Grinder, well, you might as well throw it in the bin. Why? So let's find out why, shall we? There's not a lot to say about this angle grinder because as soon as you put a fresh battery into this and go to cut your metal, you'll get 2 minutes use out of it and the battery is completely dead. It's absolutely no good to man nor beast. I should really just throw it in the bin, to be honest with you, but because I've paid money for it, good money for this, I've decided to keep it. You know, it might just come in handy for one quick 2-minute job, although cutting steel is usually longer than 2 minutes, but I don't know what the problem is with it. It's a 20 volt one, so I had the 20 volt battery going into this, but as soon as I put a fresh battery into this and start to use it, within a couple of minutes after I'm cutting through metal, that's it. It just dies. And it will not start up again. It's completely dead. The battery is completely flat. Why is beyond me, because I would have thought any tool, especially an angle grinder, should last longer than 2 minutes. Now, someone might be able to give specifications about this model, about, oh no, it only lasts 2 minutes and that's it. What's the point of a tool, and especially an angle grinder, that lasts 2 minutes and then cuts out? It's no good to me. You imagine going now to some far off place and you've got your PARKSIDE angle grinder in there with you to do a bit of, let's say you're going to do some sort of cut up of you have to do some metal cutting and you're off site and there's no electricity, so you're bringing your cordless angle grinder with you and you get 2 minutes use out of it. Well, what the hell use is that to anyone? Now, I know the PARKSIDE tools are for DIY. They're not for industrial use. So anyone who's going and doing jobs like that would normally have a cordless angle grinder, which has been tried and tested, where the battery, you need a battery to last a little bit longer on an angle grinder. But in this occasion, if you were to ask me my recommendation about the PARKSIDE angle grinder, I would say to you, don't bother. Don't waste your money with it. It's a total waste of money. That's all you're going to do. You might as well throw your money into a fire and warm yourself up with it. You'll get just as long out of it. So, sorry PARKSIDE, but your angle grinder, your cordless angle grinder is completely and utter